Here we are going to be working on the end elevation of this object. We draw the right end and the left end elevation. And to do that, it's very simple. We are to click on line. So we click on line. Okay. So we are going to draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees to this point. So I'm going to put off the auto mode. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal, or I can just enter. So just press a tab key on the keyboard and enter the angle 45. So that angle is 45 as you see it there. All right, so then I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side. I want to draw both of them together. All right, so just let me, I don't really need this again, so I can just use what I have here to get what I want to get. So I'm going to be maximizing the string, okay? So, let's see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to, as I said that, I'm going to repeat the line. So coming to this point, so I will input the angle by press tab key on the keyboard and enter 45 degrees. So that's it. So have that to be 45 degrees. Okay, oh, sorry. I need to, oh, line goes in that, it went in that. Okay, sorry. The direction that it went to. So, okay, I'll just look for the angle. So just let me see. So this angle should be around, so if I subtract 45 from 180, should be around 135. So 135 degree. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, so maybe I should just enter it. So 135. So 135 degree. Okay, so press the, okay, so that's it. All right, so that's it. So now the next thing that we are going to do here is to draw some lines. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line from this point to this point. So I need to put on the auto mode. Okay, so then draw a horizontal line from here to touch this line. Okay, then I will repeat it from, so from here, sorry. So from here to touch this line. Oh. All right, so just to touch the line. All right, so we have it there. And I will also do the same thing from here. So repeat the line from here to touch this line. Okay, so maybe I need to bring this. I'm going to extend this line. All right, so I will just give you the angle 135. All right, so we have it there. All right, so I deselect it. So I'll do the same thing. So by, so extending this line from here to here. Okay, so I will repeat the line. So repeat the line from here to here. All right, so the center line that we have here, I'm going to extend the center line. So select the center line and bring this, let it touch this line. Okay, so then extend this line also. Let it touch this. All right, so that line is not, so the angle is actually 0, so I can just enter 0. Oh. All right, so I will do the extension again. Okay. Line is not straight. Okay, okay, what I will do is to take a line from here, then, all right, I think that's better than what I was doing. So I'll just mash them. Even this line is not straight. Okay, so I think it's better like that. So I will also take line from here and draw from here to here. I need to extend this a bit. Then just for this one to touch it. So this is at what angle? So let me give it that angle. All right, so I'll just leave it like that. Okay, so we have this, and then we also have this center line. Let me draw it at once. So we repeat the line. I'll take it from here, touch this. All right, so I have that. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to draw vertical lines. But before that, we have to draw horizontal line from here to here. Okay. So I'll repeat it here. So draw horizontal line from here to this side. Okay. Then I'll repeat it here. So from here, I'll draw horizontal line to here. And I'll also repeat it here. Since we are drawing the two elevations, so that's why I'm doing all this. All right, so we have this. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw vertical lines. So right from this point, so it goes up here. So it goes up to this point. So this is where we have it. And I will repeat the line again. So from here, so it goes up here. And then for this one, so I just take it from here. So it stops here. That's for the end elevation. Okay, so then the centers, so right from here, so this goes up the center line. All right, so then for the one in the middle, so here I will draw a vertical line, so and I will stop it here. All right, so I'm going to mash this. I'm going to mash this. So click on this line. Then I'll select this and this. And I'll also select this. That's it. All right, so what we have here now, I'm going to offset this line. I will offset this line to distance that I want. So so we have 16. So we have 9, and then we have what? So let me come here. So I'll give it a distance of 16. Okay, so from there, that's 16, and then 16. Then I will also take it to 9. So repeat the offset. Okay. Okay, that's 9. So we enter 9. Then we have it from here to here, from here to here. So we have that. So that is for the inner parts. Okay. All right. So then for this also, I will offset. But before that, just let me trim what I don't need here. I don't need this line. Okay, so I don't need this. So this one is the center line, so I will trim this off. Now trim this off. All right, so I'm going to mash this just to complete. So I'm going to mash this. So I'll click on mashing tool, and then so I'll select this. So this should be a thick line. This should be a thick line. Okay, so we have that. And okay, then I will still have this one. Okay, so don't let me do that for now. So I will trim this one off, trim this, and trim this. So this also I will trim it because all I need is the, I trim this also. All right, so then, so the other thing that I need here, I will still trim this one. Okay, so then, all right, so I need to offset this one to draw this inner circle. And to do that, I'm going to offset it by 6. So this is 6 to this side and 6 to this side. Okay, so then I'm going to trim. So I'll trim this and this. I'll trim this off, and this also I'll trim it. Okay, so we have this. So I'm going to mash this as so I will click on the mesh properties. Then I will select this one. So here I'll select this and this. And this one also, I'll turn it to the short dashes line. Okay, so I need to match this one also. This line. So this line, all of this line will be a thick line. This should be a thick line. This line will be a thick line. And this line will be a thick line. We also have this line here. So this is how the end elevation will look on the right side. So this is the left end elevation actually, that I'm going to draw the line to join this together. Okay. Also, I will draw a line to join this together. And then I'm going to repeat the line. So join this together with this. Okay. Then the lines that I used here to obtain this, so join this together. So I'll repeat the line. So I will join this together with this. Okay. Then here also, I'm going to draw a vertical line to this point. All right, so we have that. So other things that we have here, this center line, I'm going to extend it to join to this point here. All right, so we have that. So this is the left end elevation here. So for the right end elevation, let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. So what we are to do here is to draw a vertical line. So from this point to this point, and I repeat it again. So from this point here to this point. So this one is a center line. This is a center line. So I'm going to mash it with the center line that we have here. So that line, I'm not okay with this line. It's not straight. Okay, somehow better. All right, so I'm going to draw a line. So from here, so as a center line here. All right, so then also I'm going to draw a line from here to these points. All right, so then there's a center line here. So I'll repeat the line. So I'll draw this line as the center line. All right, so I'm going to mash the center lines. So I will click on Mesh. So select this and then select this line and this line. All right, so we have this now. So what I'm to do now is to bring out the end elevation. This is the right end elevation. We are going to have it here. So I will offset. So first of all, so we have 16. So I'll offset this to 16 to the right and 16 to the left side. So we have it like this. And then, okay, so then we also have, we repeat it. So we have what we have 9. So we take this 9 and 9 to this side, we have this. So I'm going to trim this. I'm going to trim some lines. All right, so we have this. So I'm going to merge some line. So we click on merge properties, and then I'll select this. So I'll make this a thick line. This also a thick line. Okay. Then I'm going to trim this one. So I'll trim this. And I'll also merge. So I'll merge this. Okay, so I'll also merge this one, this one. Okay. I need to trim these lines. I just want us to, so I'll mash again. Okay. All right, so then there's some that we still need to show here. So this line, I'm going to join it with this line. Okay, so we are going to offset this to a distance of 6 to both sides. So we take this, so we give it a distance of 6, and then we offset it, and we offset it to this side. Okay, so I'm going to trim. So I'll trim this one. Okay, oh, sorry. Okay, so I need to trim this one. All right, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, so with what we have here, so I'm going to match this. So with center lines, not center lines, okay. Okay, so that's short dashes line. So this is the right hand elevation. So at the same time, I'm going to draw a line to show that, so we project line from that point, just like we do it in the manual method, where we make use of our drawing instruments. Then I'll repeat the line. So draw from here to here, and from here to here. also. So from here, so to here. All right, so we have the views as we're asked to draw them. So if I'm to write here, okay, this is the left hand elevation, and this is the front elevation, this is the right hand elevation, and this is the plans. As simple as I've done it here, all you have to do is to practice. Thank you, and God bless you.